All right, good morning, boys, and what is up? Today is Thursday, August 6th. Um, my boy's sleeping, so I am gonna be a little bit more silent on this trade recap. But we did end up making a lot of money today. We secured $3,000 in daily payouts. You can see 1,000 on this account and 1,900 on this account. So 2.9K to the bank tonight. That puts me at over 10. That puts me at exactly $9,000 or $10,000 in payouts with Lucid in August. So from August 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Those are the only 3 trading days we've had in August so far. 4 days in August, secured $9,000 in payouts. Okay, I don't know what that refresh was. What the fuck? We also made 1.2K on 5 Tradify select accounts. I told you guys I blew all my allocation, and then I also made $830 on 5 funded next flex 50Ks. Why the 50Ks? They're cheap. They're easy to pass. To pass them, I only have to make $2,500 per account with a 40% consistency rule. So in order to do that, I have to stay under $1,000. Meaning I basically just made 1,000 yesterday and 800 today, and I'm planning on making 800 tomorrow to pass them. Simple as that, right? Now let's get into the trade recap. So today was so simple, so simple. I took 2 trades today, or 3 trades today. I took 2 longs in AM session, and I took a nice short in Asia. Why was I bearish in Asia, and why was I bullish in New York? Let's just take a look at price, right? We got a bullish change in state and delivery. Literally everything about price is bullish right now. Bullish CISD, beautiful, right? So what I want to see price do, if price is all the way up here, right? I want a long, but the long, what I want to see? I want to see a retrace, meaning what? Meaning I want to see price retrace into the CISD, but first I want to see price retrace into this gap. We don't have to tap that CISD. So now we know we have a daily gap under us, which is also previous day low. Let's take a look at what price does in Asia session. Sorry, there we go. Previous day low is right here. What does price do? Push higher into this 15-minute gap, push lower. What does price do? Push higher into this 15-minute bearish gap, push lower. What does price do? Create a 5-minute gap, create a 5-minute. This is a bearish change in state and delivery aligned with a bearish 5-minute gap. So 15-minute gap, 15-minute gap, 5-minute gap, and these 5-minute order blocks and change in states and deliveries. Zoom in. This was a beautiful setup, guys. Yesterday I got altitude sickness. I was sick as fuck. I set an alarm for 8 p.m. open. Obviously, I overslept it because I woke up like at 8:30. But I was like, shit, I really hope we didn't tap that daily yet because I had that in mind since the day before. Wake up and price is literally trading like right here. And I'm like, oh my blessing. I just got blessed. So I actually entered short here with my stop above this high. I was in some deep drawdown. I was kind of, I'm not gonna lie, guys. When this candle hit, I was a little bit like, okay, maybe I was wrong about previous day low getting hit. But we ended up reversing and hitting TP. This trade made me $1,000 on both of my Lucid accounts, and then I also made $830 on 5 funded next evals. Right now, fast forward to AM session because that covers Asia. Let's get rid of these gaps. Right, what do I see? I see we tapped into this daily CISD. We tapped into this daily gap. The 15-minute time frame, are you serious? Do you guys understand how easy this looks for longs? Look at all this LR above us. A bunch of low resistance liquidity. If you guys, whenever you guys see chop, I know I don't define it often. If you guys want, I'll make a full boot camp. I can honestly, look, I'm kind of bored. I can definitely make a full boot camp covering my system from A to Z a little bit more clearly, just for you guys to understand everything. And I will do that once I'm back home. I'm traveling right now, but long story short, when you guys see a bunch of chop like this, a bunch of chop, wait for a manipulation on the downside into a high time frame PD ray, and then wait for a clear displacement back up, targeting the entire chop. That is known as low resistance liquidity, right? As you can see here, we got a nice 15-minute change in state and delivery aligned with what? Aligned with a 5-minute gap, right? This is sooner. I'm tripping. We got a 2-minute gap there and a nice 1-minute displacement out of it. Did I enter off that? No, I entered off this 30-second. So price is moving heavy with displacement here, right? This move here is sponsored by this gap, Meaning what? Meaning I don't expect price to break this low anymore. Why? Because in my opinion, this low is a protected low. Why? Because it manipulated into a gap, pushed higher, and formed a change in state in delivery. Right? If we are truly bullish, price should not break this low. This was a beautiful long entry targeting London highs, right? Unfortunately, I wasn't awake. I woke up like here. I woke up here. I woke up right when I longed, right? And we have London highs and Asian highs resting above us. If it wants to load. Yeah, London and Asian highs, which we're about to take out, right? So beautiful, beautiful trading day. So much opportunity to make so much money. You guys could have literally longed here and held till here. This was a beautiful day. I'm not gonna lie, like so much opportunity today. All right, I personally woke up late, so I entered off this 30-second displacement here with 2 minis with just enough. Well, originally it was 1 mini, and then I scaled in with just enough money to make 40% of my trade if I select evals. By the way, if you guys don't know, Lucid Trading just changed their rules. They removed the daily loss limit from every account, meaning if you didn't like daily loss limit on the pros, which I didn't like them on the pros, that's the only reason I didn't trade them, and daily loss limit on the dailies, you can now turn it off. I'm assuming it's more expensive, but bro, it's this drip, by the way. It's my hospital band. It's kind of stupid. I don't know why I'm still wearing this, but we ended up tapping into this 5-minute gap with London highs above us. So mind you, I'm already done. I'm done trading here. I'm already up on all my accounts. This is a setup that was too good not to trade. So what do? I go back into my accounts. I signed into my one of my Lucid accounts, not both. Kind of wishing I took them on both, but I didn't want to break my rules. And I took this trade with 2 minis, and I took profit very early. I took profit like here actually, just because of the way price is placed. I was like, look, I'm already up for the day. I kind of pussied out holding the whole thing. I'm not gonna lie, and I made 900 instead of the whole thing. I also got a late entry, so I probably held. I took this basically. I took this instead of the whole thing. Yes, it's negative RR because of my fill. This was the actual trade idea on the 30-second, which is also a nice 1-minute close. Beautiful 1-minute close. What did this 1 minute create? Well, we swept this low. Right, what was the last move to the upside before the sweep of this low? It was right here, right? So we created a CISD on the 1 minute. And what do we also do? Bearish candle, candle above the swing high, 1 minute order block. So we created a 1 minute bullish order block and a 1 minute changes in delivery. This is a beautiful trade. Definitely could have risked a lot more in this trade. It was A+, beautiful. I loved it. And that is the other trade I took that ended up making me money today, right? I know it's a little late for me to make trade recaps at this time, but I did take a trade past 10 a.m., which is ridiculous for me to do. I've never done this before in like years. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about today, I'm going to be requesting another $3,000 in payouts tonight. So that's going to be fun. And I hope you guys all have a blessed day. I hope you guys all learned something new. I apologize for the quality of content. I promise when I'm back in Miami, everything will be 10 times better. I hope you boys have a blessed day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.